Welcome everyone to our comprehensive guide on course creation. Today, we're going to walk through the entire life cycle of a digital product, from the initial spark of understanding your audience and structuring your curriculum, all the way to the technical selection of a platform and the critical strategies for marketing and sales. Whether you're a seasoned expert or just starting out, this agenda is designed to give you a clear roadmap for building not just a course, but a thriving learning community. To sell your course like a pro, you must first master 5 key strategies. It starts with your value proposition, pinpointing exactly why your course is unique and how it fixes a specific pain point. Remember, you aren't just making a sale. You're building a relationship based on trust, often through free, valuable content. To help potential students take that final leap, use tools like scarcity and social proof. Think limited time bonuses and real-world success stories. Finally, make your offer irresistible by adding flexible payment plans or exclusive resources that make the decision to join an easy yes. Think of your sales process as a journey, often referred to as a funnel. It begins at the wide top with awareness, where people first discover you. As they move down, you spark interest and help them reach a decision point by demonstrating value. The ultimate goal, of course, is the narrow bottom of the funnel, turning that interested lead into an enrolled student. Understanding this flow helps you tailor your message to where the student is in their psychological journey. One of the most effective ways to boost conversions is by creating a sense of urgency and scarcity. This isn't about gimmicks. It's about providing an incentive for decisive action. For example, you might offer a one-on-one coaching call only for those who sign up by a certain date, or limit a live Q&A session to the first 20 spots. Whether it's an early bird bonus or a limited time 30% discount. These emotional triggers help overcome procrastination and turn maybe later into enroll now. Now, let's talk about the big question, pricing. We generally look at 3 tiers. The entry tier, under $100, is perfect for short courses or new instructors looking to build a base. The mid-tier, between $100 and $300, is where most standard 2 to 5-hour courses sit, signaling solid expertise. Finally, the premium tier, $300 to nearly $1,000, is for comprehensive, transformational programs that often include coaching. The key is to match your price to the level of commitment and outcome you're promising. While we have some general price ranges based on course length, such as $57 for an hour of content or up to $997 for over 10 hours, I want to share a vital rule of thumb. Length alone never justifies a high price. Transformation does. If you have a 90-minute course that solves a massive $10,000 problem for a client, that content is easily worth $500 or more. Focus on the value of the solution you provide, not just the minutes on the clock. A common dilemma is whether to offer a course for free or for a fee. Free courses are fantastic lead magnets to build your email list or gather your first testimonials when you're brand new. However, you should move to a paid model once you have proof of results. Interestingly, paid students actually have higher completion rates because they've made an investment. Never apologize for charging for your work. Your price is a signal of the value and the transformation you are delivering. Finally, you need a platform that supports your strategy, whether that's a one-time payment, a recurring subscription for a membership site, or bundling multiple courses together. You might even use a free plus upsell model or offer payment plans to lower the barrier for premium products. At YB.Digital/school, we support every one of these models with 0 transaction fees on our paid plans. This ensures that as you build your school, every dollar of your hard-earned revenue goes exactly where it belongs, straight to you.